At Vishwakarma University, the School of Pharmacy stands as a symbol of excellence, innovation, and a deep commitment to advancing healthcare. We nurture future-ready professionals who are not only skilled in pharmaceutical sciences, but are guided by integrity, compassion, and a strong sense of responsibility. We take pride in our modern, fully equipped laboratories, our experienced faculty, and a dynamic learning environment that inspires curiosity, creativity, and collaboration. But what truly defines us is a journey of transformation. From aspiring learners to confident, capable professionals ready to make a real difference in healthcare and society.
Ever since its inception, the School of Pharmacy at Vishwakarma University, Pune stands tall on two pillars. Number one, academic rigor, and number two, cutting-edge research in drug discovery. Students who choose pharmacy as a career option will witness the reflection of these two aspects in our academic structure, where students build a strong foundation in pharmacy education and then translate the knowledge into research outcome in the form of research publications and patents.
Coming from a high school background, I was nervous about the rigor of pharmacy degree. But at VU, the transition was seamless. The faculty here didn't just teach me formulas, they taught me how to think like a healthcare professional. In just 2 semesters, I moved from basic theory to performing my first titration in the lab with confidence. The hands-on approach in our initial labs has turned my curiosity into genuine passion for pharmaceutical science. I know I'm in the right place to build my future.
We ensure that our curriculum is a seamless journey from foundational theory to clinical applications. In the pharmacology wing, we bridge the gap between how drugs work and how they heal. Our program structure is meticulously designed to foster analytical thinking, ensuring that every student understands the why behind science, preparing them for the complex demands of global pharmaceutical industry. Our unique strength lies in our hands-on approach to phytochemical analysis, giving our students a competitive edge in both research and herbal drug development.
The research facilities at VU, especially the QA and pharmaceutical PG labs, provide the perfect ecosystem. As I prepared to enter the professional world as a Master of Pharmacy, I feel a sense of immense credibility. VU provided me a platform where I could lead the projects, mentor the juniors, and conduct high-impact research.
Our teaching philosophy is driven by the principle of learning by doing. Through experiential learning, students evolve from passive learner into the skilled professionals who understand the precision and scientific approach required to transform a chemical substance into an effective medicine. By emphasizing the molecular fundamentals of pharmaceutical sciences, we equip our students with confidence, technical competences, and problem-solving skills essential for modern pharmacy practices.
The 6th semester at Vishwakarma University is a turning point. We have moved beyond the classroom into real-world applications. My recent internship experience allowed me to see exactly how the experiential learning we discuss in class translates to the industry floor. I felt ahead of the curve because I was already familiar with the equipments and protocols used in the field. One of the highlights of my journey has been the confidence building workshops and industry visits organized by the department. Interacting with industry experts has demystified the corporate world for me. I have learned that technical knowledge is only half the battle. Communication and leadership are what makes a Vishwakarma University student stand out.
In today's pharmaceutical world, quality and innovation must go hand in hand. In VU, School of Pharmacy, we focus on advanced training and research-oriented training. students work on problem-based projects and real-world pharmaceutical challenges. We train our students to design drug delivery systems that are effective, safe and reliable. We encourage students to think scientifically, to ask questions, to validate each and every step they take. This way, our teaching learning approach becomes truly holistic.
Transitioning into PG studies at VU was the best decision for my career. Access to the Central Instrumentation Lab and the Willow Lab has been a game changer. Working with the high-end equipments like HPLC and UV spectrophotometers daily has given me a level of technical expertise that is rare at master's level. In the M.Pharm program, the relationship with faculty evolves into research partnerships. My mentor here challenged me to look at pharmaceutics and quality assurance through a lens of innovation.
VU has taught me that being a pharmacist requires discipline and precision. My journey through 4th semester has been about building a professional portfolio, from maintaining meticulous lab records to participating in departmental seminars. I can see my professional identity taking shape every day.
As I stand in my final semester, I look back at the total transformation. The placement training and the mock interviews at VU have been rigorous. I feel future ready, not just because of my grades, but because I've been trained to handle the pressure and expectation of the global pharmaceutical market.